the moisture. So this is the woods. So this is the soundboard. This is the backboard. These are the soundboards. The more complex it is, it's ano yan, the more beautiful the sound. And dito naman sa backboard, yan. Ito yung yan. Sa likod.
Ganyan pala sa loob.
So ito mga simple na mga this is for the beginners. So you have classical and folk guitars. So all parts are being placed together. Walang walang pako, no nails, because it will change the sound. After putting wood glue, nila yan, tinatalian. So lahat ay wood glue lang. Okay. And these are the woods that they are using. Yan, mga imported woods from South America. And the best from Philippines is ito. Philippine Blackwoods. Ano mo?
Ang bigat na yan.
Oo nga, ang bigat na.
Ito, Kamago. This is Kamago. Black Ebony.
Sir, yung pinaka-finish product nyo nasa...
Yung finished product nila nasa loob.
Yabang mo talaga.
Lahat tayo, doon muna tayo sa gitara. Huwag muna kayo dito sa kasi may ibang group dyan eh. Dito muna kayo.
Wow.
Yeah, you can take pictures anywhere.
Lahat po yan, glue
Tanong ka
lang
na lang
yan.
doon.
Sir, lahat po yan gawa lang, I mean, glue
this
lang
is
talaga.
handmade. Dito lahat to.
Ganda.
Ito yung bili, ito si pwede kayo magtanong dito.
Butan.
Hindi ko kaya, mahal kaya yun.